Today we are going to see the logic gates. In logic gates there are different types, that is basic gates, universal gate and special purpose gate. Basic gates is a NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate. Universal gates are NAND gate and NOR gate. Special purpose gate is XOR gate and XNOR gate. NOT gate, or it is also called inverter, which is built up using the transistor. Generally in NOT gate, output is inversion of the input. Suppose output is represented by Y, then it is inversion of the input. Also it is called the complement of the input. Here A is the input, here output and VCC. Suppose this collector resistance is represented by RC, this base resistance is represented by RB. As there is only one input, there are two possibilities: either this input is a low or input is a high. Suppose your input is a high, means here A is equal to high, means some voltage, suppose 5 volts voltage is applied over here. Your VCC is again 5 volts. Then what happens when you are applying the voltage 5 volts to the input terminal, then transistor gets enough base voltage and therefore this transistor is made on. When this transistor is made on, then what happens? The collector current ICRC is flowing through this transistor, current IC is flowing through the transistor, and as this is a on, whole voltage we are able to get at the ground potential. Therefore output voltage Y is equal to VCE, which is equal to VCC minus this ICRC drop. As there is a conduction of the current, this VC is very small, that is 0.7 volt, means your transistor is in a saturation, that is considered as a low voltage. Means when input is a high, you are getting low at the output. In case of the means when input is in a high stage, we say the transistor is in a saturation stage and therefore VCE is your output voltage and therefore output is a low. In second case, when input is a low, means A is equal to 0. In that case, the current flowing through this resistance RC, that is IC is 0 and therefore VCE output voltage, which is equal to VCC minus this ICRC drop. Here we are applying 5 volts at the input, therefore 5 minus this 0, you are getting 5 volts. That is, at the output of this transistor you are getting high voltage. When input is a low, means input is a low, output is a high. Logically it is represented like this: when A is the input, output is complement of the input. In a NOT gate, when input is a low, output is a high. It is represented by this red color, or you may say light is there. When input signal is a low, input is a low, you are getting output high. Okay, input is a low, output is a high. And when input is a high, output is low, means whatever the LED or indicator which is connected at the output, it becomes low. In inverter, output is always opposite to the input, and that's why it is also called inverter. Logically, consider the example of this temperature detector. Suppose your temperature is above certain voltage level, above certain voltage level 20 degree, then we have to make the central heating off. Means input is a high, output is a low, we have to switch that central heating off. When your temperature is below certain level, means when input is a low, in that case we have to make this central heating switch on. Logically, we say input is a high, output is a low, and when input is a low, output is a high. And in a NOT gate, IC 7404 is used as a inverter IC, or available in a market IC 7404, that is inverter IC, and it is consist of 14 pins, and in one IC there are altogether 6 inverters are present over there. Means in inverter, output is always inversion of the input, that is the complement of input. Thank you.